Here is Bask Bank Mobile app, so how to install it. So let's just go and take a look. So just double click to install, and then you should be able to get this app. Seamlessly schedule deposits and transfer money between your link accounts. The only savings account that earns a advantage miles instead of interest. Every dollar you save earns one advantage mile annually. Quite popular financial app recently. This is a new online bank that offers more rewarding way to save money. It's actually a good idea. Maybe if you're just now looking for some new bank, consider this app because when they're just releasing new mobile apps, they can have some nice perks, nice discounts, nice deals which you can just lock up, especially in the mobile app. So yeah, Bask Bank is a division of Texas Capital Bank. My rewards are subject to change, so you can just here. Sign in app for Bask savings account is easy, and there are no fees. Miles are earned daily and awarded monthly, and they are deposited directly into your linked advantage. So yeah, just open it up from here. So here you can just open it up, and then if you wanna, you can just tap to create your account here from the website. So that's what it is. You just will need to go to baskbank.com and open an account from there.